Hey there, if your PlayStation 5 is turned on each time you turn on your LG Smart TV, here's how to fix it. What we do is press and hold the settings button. We get to the main menu here, and on the left-hand side, we go down to General. Once here, we go across, and we head down, keep going to External Devices. We go across. From this External Devices window, go down the list to HDMI settings, then go across, and we have this option and it's called Simplink. We go here, disable it. Now, the next time you turn on your TV, the PlayStation will remain off. So that's how you quickly and easily fix your PlayStation being turned on when your LG Smart TV is turned on. Hope it's been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. Check out my channel and hey, have a great day ahead.